Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Let's learn English speaking practice. Hello. Hello. Hi. How are you? Hi. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. I am fine. Thank you. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Rahul. My name is Rahul. Nice to meet you, Rahul, or nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from India. I am from India. You can say your country or city name. How old are you? How old are you? I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. How was your day? How was your day? It was good. It was good. Or you can say it was nice. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. I am a student. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am learning English. I am learning English. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Sure, let's talk. Sure, let's talk. What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? English is my favorite subject. English is my favorite subject. What is your subject? Favorite subject? Comment in the comment section. What do you want to become? What do you want to become? I want to become a doctor. I want to become a doctor. Where do you live in India? Where do you live in India? I live in Delhi. I live in Delhi. It was nice talking to you, Rahul. Or it was nice talking to you. See you soon. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you.